Will my kefir grains die if I make a milk smoothie or a milkshake in a blender with the kefir milk?
Assalamu alaikum wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood and this is one of the clients who got kefir greens from me, and now they're asking whether if they make milkshake or smoothie with the kefir greens, will the bacteria die? If you are new to my channel and don't know what kefir grains are, firstly please subscribe to my channel because I've made numerous video on kefir grains. Kefir grains are basic clumps of bacteria and yeast which are probiotics. That is to say, these are healthy bacteria and viruses which when go into your body help in the absorption of the foods. I usually prescribe kefir grains to my patients, especially patients suffering from acidity or ladies suffering from osteoporosis due to lack of calcium in their bones, because these bacteria and yeast basically help absorb the nutrients, calcium and other nutrients needed for the making of the bones. Kefir grains have numerous health benefits which are all proven by science. I have done a detailed video on it. Do please see that also. Long story short, these are basically clumps of bacteria and viruses. And to open up a bacteria, you need a lot more of enzymes and a lot more of vigorous energy than just blades of a blender. And even if after blending or making a smoothie you notice that the clumps or the grains have become small, just ferment them once or twice, they will clump up together and they will regain their size. Nothing is lost. The things which actually kill the kefir grains are basically everything that harms bacteria or viruses or any other living beings. Like for example, high temperature. Any temperature above 85 degrees Celsius kills the yeasts. Okay, so all the probiotic yeasts in the kefir grains will be killed above 85 degrees Celsius. Similarly, any temperature above 115 degrees Celsius usually kills all kinds of bacteria. It is good to keep your kefir grains at a temperature of round about 50 degrees Celsius or less. The ideal temperature for the kefir to propagate is basically from 17 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Any temperature higher than this actually slows down the replication or the activity of the bacteria and the yeast in the kefir grains. Similarly, anything which kills bacteria, like for example detergents or surfactants, all of these things kill the bacteria whether they are good or they are bad, so they will also harm your kefir grains. So that was the answer to the question. Take care till we meet next time. In the comment section below, let me know if you have used kefir and how much you liked it. Also let me know what health benefits did you notice after using kefir grains, and if you have any question in your mind relating to kefir, let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet next time, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.